everybody, hello family, welcome back to our channel. My name is Zetembiso Faith Mwami. This is the Kingdom Couple channel. Thank you so much for joining us yet again, and if it is your first time here, welcome. You are more than welcome to be part of the family by clicking the subscribe button, the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up and comment if you like it. My name is Zetembiso Faith Mwami. Thank you so much. Today is Fridays of Faith. My husband is not here, and today we are speaking everything careers. I started from how I dropped out of grade 9. I spoke to my Portia, the principal, and today I am with a beautiful, gorgeous lady. Her name is Nonganiso, and she's a career development officer at Khatsibaliti College. So this girl is the girl. She's the girl. Everything careers, whether you want to know anything, whether you want to register. So we're going to be speaking about those things today. And most importantly, I want you to know whether you are in school or whether you are out of school or you're working, it's never too late to change your career path and do what you really love and do what you're good at. So today we'll just be hearing more, as a professional from her side on what we need to do and what you need to do if you'd like to change your career path and which career path to follow if you're doing matric or if you're doing grade 9 and you want to register at a higher institution. Hi, Nonganiso.
Hi. Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I'm well, thank you. We are so pleased to have you here on this couch. Go Fridays with Faith.
Thank you very much. I feel welcome, and thank you for having me today on your channel.
You look so beautiful. Thank you for honoring our invite. As you can see, guys, she looks dapper.
Just like you.
I just want to know from you, Nem. Can you just give us a background of your career and what you do as a professional, so that people can know?
Well, hello everyone. My name is Nonganiso Shandu. Well, I'm a social worker by profession, but right now I'm a career development officer at Khatsibaliti College, students on campus. I studied social work, but I got an internship as a career development officer because I had psychology.
Okay.
Well, I chose social work because I love people, I love children, but if somebody had career guided me, I would have chosen psychology over social work because I feel it's more of what I would have wanted. I love child psychology. So I'm happy with doing career guidance because I feel like I'm giving people a chance to also choose careers, the chance that we didn't get.
So guys, if you heard it, she's a professional. Alright. So please just tell us, when you go about choosing a career, like so anybody, like what should I look for when I choose a career?
Well, one thing that you have to look for, you should just know yourself, know your interests, know your abilities, know your skills. What do you like? What do you want to do? What are you good at doing? Because some people are very good at caring for children, so they prefer to do early childhood development, and some people are good at cooking and they prefer doing hospitality. So it depends on the kind of person that you are. But you also have to look at the world of work. Look at the career that you want to choose, if exactly are there any job opportunities, because you don't want to start something and not be employed at the end of the day. That is what is happening right now. I also did social work, but work opportunities in social work degree, they are very less now. So you also have to look at that, and you also have to look at the institutions that offer the qualification that you want to do. You can't say that you want to do engineering and then not be doing maths and want to apply at University of Zulu. You have to check the universities that offer that have good offers on the qualification that you want to do. So I can't go to the college if you want to do teaching or social work. Usually they are offered at universities.
Okay, so I need to balance my personality with what is in demand. So I'm hearing, because as a person, I didn't get a chance to choose what I want, what I was good at. But I chose something that was, my parents chose for me, something that was in demand at that moment. But is it too late for me to change my career path if I want to do that?
It's never too late to choose a good career path because you want to be happy with what you are doing. You don't want to go at work angry because you chose a bad career path. It's never too late. You can change whenever.
Okay. Another thing that I just want to ask from you, in the world of careers and everything, sometimes we speak about not being able to have enough money to enroll at a high institution. Are there any bursaries available that can help with that, if you want to study and you don't have money?
If you don't have any money, you can apply for NSFAS. NSFAS is available for all South African students who just don't have money to study.
Okay.
But we also have bursaries from SETAs. We also have bursaries that are sponsored by different departments and businesses. For instance, in social work, we have a DSD bursary. It's a Department of Social Development bursary. So there are different departments that offer different bursaries. So it depends on the qualification that you want to take. You should just check the bursaries that are offered for the qualification that you want.
Okay, how can I see the bursaries? Because where do we go so that we can know, these are the bursaries that are available?
You can check online, just write any bursaries of the qualification that you want in South Africa.
Okay.
Then you'll have the options, or else go to the university and ask from career guidance officers.
Okay.
They will assist you with that.
All right, so you just go online, search for that bursary, for that career path you want to take, and then there are bursaries available for that. So there are SETAs as well. What are SETAs?
They are just sponsoring students
Okay.
who want to start something. I'm sponsored by ETDP SETA.
Okay.
Yes, they are paying my stipend. It's Education, Training and Development SETA.
Okay. Also, there are different kinds of SETAs. What they do very specifically to give bursaries to South Africans.
Yeah, they do give bursaries, but they also assist students who are doing internships with stipends.
Okay.
They also provide learnerships. It just depends on the things that you want to do.
All right. So, guys, you heard for yourself, if there are SETAs that are available that offer bursaries and also NSFAS. When does NSFAS open this year? If I want to study 2021.
For a TVET college, for our TVET college, TVET college, it's usually open in January. The applications all are open in January.
Okay,
but
for
for
the
universities, it's from October onwards.
From October onwards. So
Yes,
where do I apply? Online as well?
Yes, you do apply online.
Okay, so I'll put the link here where you can apply, and then you can do the NSFAS page where you can apply online, and then you can just put in your qualifications, then what you have. It's a very difficult time in our country and around the world because of this COVID. And I know that people that are doing matric and people that are just in their high school years are kind of confused. It's difficult. Because you don't even have an opportunity to sit with a person like this and the person advises you your career path. But just because we are on lockdown and things are happening, don't just sit back and be like, no, I'm not gonna carry on. Maybe next year I should take a gap year. Don't do that. There are many opportunities that are available. You can even do izinto, like part-time. Just try and check it out. I also wanted to ask you, I always struggle with ukufunda long distance learning. I want to hear from you. How do we apply? Have you ever used UNISA before?
No, I haven't.
You haven't used. Okay, so guys, there are long distance learning institutions. There's UNISA, there's the Management College of South Africa, there's Genesis, University of Northwest, UJ. You can also study it's long distance, and that doesn't mean it's better like that if maybe Guinea or abanayo imali to help you further your studies and go and live full time in a commune or at a student residence. So it can be another alternative option. You just need to discipline yourself, give yourself time, because I am also doing long distance learning. I just give myself time and I discipline myself to be able to carry on and just pass, because you need to pass. You need to carry on pursuing your career, carry on pursuing what you really want to do. So guys, any other thing that maybe you think our viewers would want to know about career guidance, and anything that they should know as well?
Well, one thing they should know, especially those who want to go to private institutions, you should go and check from the career help in Iketa. There you check if the college that you want to register to is registered and the qualification that you want to do is accredited.
Okay.
You could check from ncap.careerhelp.org.za.
Okay.
That is where you will get your you'll find out if the qualification is accredited.
Alright, I'm a fly by night.
Yeah, because we don't want a person to do a qualification and find out that the private college is a fly by night.
Okay, it does not exist. Okay, no, that is very important, guys. So I'll put the link again down here so you can check the higher institution that you are studying with or you want to study with is accredited and it is recognized as well. Anything else? Love to it to that lady who's sitting there who is thinking, you know, I want to be Kanyiso one day. I want to be. I want to also pursue a career that I love, but maybe it's too late. What would you want to say to them?
I'll tell a person that it's never too late to follow your dreams. You are never too old to do whatever you want to do. All you have to do is go to the right doors, knock on the right doors, do some research on the career that you want to choose. Ask around from the people who are doing that career. Ask about the job opportunities. Ask about everything. You should not be afraid to ask about something, because the more you don't know, it's the more you choose the wrong careers. So I would advise that a person should just knock and we will open.
And the open.
And we will always be there.
So Nonkanyiso, I just want to ask you there, off record, if a person wants to contact you, are you free? Is your door open?
Yes. Come and get me at Studiton campus, GSTVET College.
Yes.
You'll find me there at the reception.
Yeah, and then you can also get assistance with that. Guys, careers are tricky, but you know, it's possible. You know, my husband and I always speak about this, and he says, you know what, I know that you wanted to do this, but there is still a chance for you to do it. No, it's never too late. Thank you so much, guys, for joining us yet again. That was just a small, brief, information packed episode, so that you guys can just, you know, get more about careers and get the assistance that you need. You are doing your grade 12. Study. Just because we're in a COVID, we're in a lockdown, it doesn't mean you're not gonna write your final exams. Yay, fundani, study. And apply everywhere, ne?
Yeah, you can apply everywhere. In KZN, you apply via the CEO.
Okay.
And then in the other universities from other provinces, you just apply on their website.
Alright, what's the CAO?
It's a central application office.
Okay.
You
Alright.
just get the form and then you write the universities that of your choice and the qualifications that you want to do, and then you send it through. You just have to have your grade 11 results, final results, and your results for June entry.
Okay, so you heard that, guys. I'm gonna also link it down below so that you can just apply now. You know, there are options that are there for you guys. Thank you so much for joining us, guys. From me and Nonkanyiso, we appreciate you and we love you very much. Fundani, and if usungangani ufuna uqhubeka, pursue that career that you want to pursue. It is never too late. Until next time, bye. Love you. Subscribe. Hey.